Hi, welcome back for another episode of What's Cooking. My name's Emily and I'm a cook for the 205 building. And today we're gonna be making Brirria Tacos. Okay, first we grab our 4 tortilla shells and then we're gonna start building the taco. And first we put a little bit of mozzarella cheese on each one. I put some more beef on our tacos, and what the beef is cooked in is tomato sauce, cinnamon, chives, chili powder, onion, garlic cloves, and some vegetable broth until it falls apart. And now we're gonna go throw this on the flat top and then I'll be right back. Now that our tacos have been on the flat top for about 3 to 4 minutes, we can fold them up and we'll set them on the plate. And then you have your choice of adding a little bit of cilantro into each or some onion. And then we'll put our sauce for dipping on the side in a bowl. And that is the finished Brirria taco. Steve and I thought this would be a great dish for Cinco de Mayo week, and this will be available in the Cafe and Bistro Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And I hope you have a great Cinco de Mayo week.